we said that in the passive, in the active and the passive, we mainly deal with what? Verb to be and the past participle of the verb, right? So what I need for the passive sentences are what? Verb to be and the past participle of the verb. Do you remember the list of irregular verbs that you have taken? So you have present or infinitive, past, and past participle, right? So in order to solve, in order to change from an active sentence to a passive sentence, what are you going to do? We said that there are steps that you must follow. Mom washes the dishes every day. Okay? We said that any sentence consists of what? Subject, verb, and object. And this is your first step to answer any passive sentence. You have to decide the subject and verb and object. Then you have to decide the tense of the verb. Which tense is this verb? Present simple. It's present simple. We said these are the first two steps. First, divide your sentence into subject, verb, and object, and then do what? Decide which tense is this tense that you are dealing with. Then, what are you going to do? You are going to move the object, the dishes. You are going to start with the object. In the what? In the passive sentence. This is an active sentence, and this is a passive sentence. Okay? Move the object to in front. This is your third step. Move the object to in front. Okay? Then, we said we have to use verb to be. Verb to be is what in the present simple? Verb to be. Here you have the dishes. You are going to use what? Are. And because we put are here, we have to cross the S here. You have the S. It's the symbol of the present simple. So we put instead of the S, are. Verb to be in the present simple. Then I need what? The past participle of the verb. What is the past participle of wash? Washed. By, and then add by mom. Every day. So I decide how I am going to use verb to be according to the object. The dishes, here it's plural, so I used verb to be in the present simple, plural. Okay? Let's look to the other example. In this sentence, they wear blue shoes. We said the first step is what? Subject, verb, and object. Subject, verb, and object. Okay? Subject, verb, and object. What is this tense? Then we said the second step is to decide which tense, right? So, this is which tense? Present simple. And the third step is what? Move the object to in front. Blue shoes. And then we said here, we put instead of the present simple here what? Verb to be. In which tense? Present simple. Blue shoes. Blue shoes are. What is the past participle of where? Of where? Worn by, and then add by, and I'm going to change they to what? Them. She bought a new car. Now we are dealing with the past simple of the active sentences. Of the active sentences. Active sentence. She bought a new car. Where is the subject and verb and object? She is the subject, bought is the verb, and then a new car is the object. Right? In which tense is this sentence? Past simple. Okay? The past simple. So we said the third step that you are going to do is what? Move the object to the in front. To in front. A new shoes. What is verb to be? A new car, sorry. A new car. Car. Verb to be in the past. Was. And what is the past participle of bought? Bought. And then add by. And we are going to change it to what? Her. By her. This is for the passive sentence of the past simple. Okay? This is the passive sentence. Okay? The passive sentence of the present continuous. You are going to have an active sentence like they are playing football. Football. Okay? We said you have subject, they, verb in the present continuous, and then you have objects. Right? So, move the object to in front, football. What is verb to be with football? It's going to be is or are. Is. Look, concentrate here well what I'm going to do. I will cross the ing here, and I will add down what? Being. And then what is the past participle Zena of play? Played. And then add boy. And then I'm going to change they what? Them. Tense now. Them. By them. So the most important point in the present continuous sentence that when you change from passive to active, from active sentence to passive, don't forget to add being. It's instead of the ing here. If you follow the steps, you are not going to be confused. Okay?